This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about knockboxes, specifically these great Restpresso knockboxes and espresso supplies. We have our knockbox, tamper, cleaning brush, and we've also got some tampering mats. So these are perfect supplies for professionals if you're looking for some extra accessories for your coffee shop, or if you're just looking to make a nice professional level home setup for your morning coffee routine. The knockboxes are designed to sit underneath your equipment. They're a beautiful little drawer style here, and you can see they've got venting on the top and on the sides. It's got coffee emblazoned on it, and that allows the extra moisture to escape. They've got a nice silicone coated bar to help reduce noise when you're knocking out that espresso from your portafilter. And since you can close that drawer in between uses, it stays out of sight, right? So no unsightly grinds on display. As an alternative, we also have these nice little recessed units that are available in different sizes. They can sit either just directly on your countertops, or if you have little recessed areas, you can pop them down into those, and you have a nice little spot to just dispose of your grinds in between uses. There's also a nice little tamper here, so great heavyweight, great for kind of pressing down those grinds. And a cleaning brush, so always useful. This has nice, dense, stiff bristles and a handy little spoon there for measuring out your powdered cleaning solution when you're cleaning up at the end of the day. Another useful item for espresso setups are tampering mats. Now, I've got this on the edge of my knockbox. Typically, it would go on the edge of your counter, but then we'd be out of the shot. It's designed so you can rest that portafilter right there in that little notch, right? So it's a nice little ergonomic design that'll fit that perfectly and hold it in place while you're using your little tamper. And it actually has a little rest spot in the back for either your tamper or your shot glass. And there's a single or a double. So especially if you've got a coffee shop and you're maybe preparing multiple shots at a time, this is a nice little feature to have. Not only will it help reduce noise, but it's going to help protect your counters from the heavy kind of action of packing down that espresso time and time again. And this one has two little spots at the back that you can use for your tamper and your shot glass. So these are some handy little accessories to have on hand if you're looking to do some espresso, whether it's in a coffee shop or at home and you're just looking to up your morning coffee game.